Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you why won't my Dyson Corrale charge. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Dyson Corrale here, Dyson Corrale does not charge at all, well there are going to be a few things that you need to check here. So first things first, for your Dyson Corrale here, if it's not holding any charge, you may want to consider that the problem itself might be the charger that you currently have. Now, in this case, if your charger's the problem here, you may want to replace it, or if you have an extra one, you want to go ahead and start using that. But after using the charger itself and you're still having the problem, well, most likely the problem itself might be the actual battery that you're using for your Dyson Corrale. If that's the case, the best next thing that you could try doing here is to contact support, because they could give you the proper assistance on basically solving this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to their official website, which is going to be dyson.com or .ph, depending on your region. The website might change, or you could search that on Google itself. But yeah, in their official page, you want to go and click on support, and you want to go and click on support. Now from here, it's going to give you different options on contacting them. You have the following numbers that you could call for the hotline here. You could also send them an email via this way here if it's not urgent for you. And also you could basically visit one of their service centers if you want. So in this case, depends on what website you're accessing here. So if you're accessing the website for your region or country, you should be able to see the available service centers here. But yeah, so you just need to contact them. So if the problem itself is a defective Dyson Corrale here, then most likely they could give you a refund or even a discount on your next purchase, depending on when you bought it. So if you just recently bought it, most likely they would give you a replacement if it's still under warranty. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.